Okay, now I go live on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream on Xeonbit YouTube channel, and we on the live stream multiple channel of Xeonbit Tech Talk, Mr. T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m live, and so many other stream. Now we in the parallel live stream. Yeah, and in the live stream have Mr. Nicholas and Mr. Đắc, Mr. Khang Nguyen, and we discussed about the MicroStrategy stock spice following another big bet on the Bitcoin. Yeah, so I give the word to Mr. Nicholas share his idea about MicroStrategy by the Bitcoin and make the price move last night, Singapore times.
Yeah,
hello, this guy.
let me go and look at the Bitcoin chart again. Right. Last night the price.
Hello, Mr. Tamden.
Where's my chart? Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Actually, you look at the time. Now is 12 to 12. Now is 4 to 5. Right. Okay. So actually, when you look at the chart, from 4 p.m. Why is it always 4 p.m.? All right, from 4 p.m. yesterday, so the price started to shoot up, like from 57.
Yeah.
And then by nearly midnight is already 59.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's about 2,000 margin. So
Yeah.
of course, I took this opportunity to sell away sell off some Bitcoin that I have. Yeah, but of course, after selling, you're hoping it to go down, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, but the thing is, when we are talking about the price movement and all, you look at how this Bitcoin breach 50,000 and then hitting 60,000 in the last round, when there was a big name out there that announced that they have owned $1.5 billion or invested $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So this time around with the latest announcement of this MicroStrategy, so the price didn't budge much beyond 2,000 margin. So I was just telling Richard, oh yeah, maybe this guy, he's not as famous as Elon Musk. Sorry, dude. Yeah. So, but the thing is, when they announce something like this, the Bitcoin price do spike up a little bit. Yeah. So that's more important to note. Yeah. So as for their own company shares, that's their own story. Yeah. But the thing
and we
is,
also see the share is also bump up 3%.
yeah, of course. So the whole announcement thing, or the whole announcement thing, is basically beneficial for their own company shares instead of for Bitcoin price to move.
Yeah.
Whereas that is why the movement, I believe the movement wasn't that much. Yeah. But anyway, it's a good bet for those who managed to buy some at 57 and sell at 59 like I did. But of course, for my story is I held it for some time before I sell it off. Yeah. So that's much about MicroStrategy. And Richard, do you know anything much more about MicroStrategy as a company, as to what they do in terms of cloud software, whatever?
This one of the software company based on the Wikipedia. We see this MicroStrategy is one of the famous software firm. They also allow for the investor to invest in the technology, but also they allow some user to invest in crypto, maybe because the company they also have the other diversity to invest in. And when I see one of the CFO of MicroStrategy, his Vietnamese, and that is the reason why the CFO they can persuade the MicroStrategy make the big bet on the Bitcoin. Let's see on the Wikipedia. And I see on here we search MicroStrategy here, and here's when I see some here, Mr. Formula, the president and CFO of the MicroStrategy, and the total assets including the Bitcoin now is equal to 2.2 billion, not this figure. This figure 2020. Yeah, and here's a more detailed macro seller. His begin concerned by the DuPont. Yeah, the contract with the DuPont company. Yeah,
DuPont,
this
right? DuPont is a big
DuPont.
company.
Yeah, big company, and then the company begin to invest hard in Bitcoin 2019 when the price of Bitcoin is around it's around 5,000.
2019. Let's see. Yeah. 2019. Oh no. How should I set the view?
Around 20,000. It means that they buy Bitcoin at the price around 19 to 20,000. And now the average of the total Bitcoin they invest in is around at the price is 24,000.
No, bro. 2019 is about 2,000. Is it? I'm on Bitcoin. Yes, BTC. 2019 it was at about 2019.
We
Yeah,
see back.
I see about 3,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus.
Wait. 20 average Bitcoin hold
for 3,000 to 5,000 around that range, because 2017 is the 20,000 mark, right? Then after the 20,000 mark, it slide all the way down to the valley. So of course, it floated around between 3,000 to 5,000.
I think not 2019, 2020. It should around 20,000. 19 to
2020. So that will be just late last year then, just recently then.
No, that's I mean he invests in Bitcoin. The company invests in crypto, Bitcoin 2020 when the price of Bitcoin is around 20,000, 15,000 to 20,000. Yeah, at that time, MicroStrategy is one of the first institution investor jump into the cryptocurrency. We also have some video clips share information to our audience about MicroStrategy invest in cryptocurrency. It will boost the price of crypto. It will boost the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, you also can check that.
Yeah, so technically they earn quite a lot from the growth of the price. Yeah.
And so Tesla also jumping.
Yeah, imagine you're buying it at 20 and now it's 50, 60. So it's like triple the price. Yeah. So it's tripled their market cap.
Asset, yeah, their asset. And then one news we see, in South Korea, the people they Yeah, the
What about
price
South Korea?
in South Korea, the Bitcoin price is boost to 666, yeah,
Huh? Really?
66,000, yeah. So you,
Right now?
yeah, it means if you have some Bitcoin, you can sell in the Korea market at the
Yeah,
66,000,
they're pretty bullish, in a sense.
yeah. And then we can ask them to sell back to you in the Korean won or exchange to the USDT, you can earn some profits. Yeah, in South Korea. Uh, when I share information on the TikTok recently, I tell my audience about, yeah, that's because the in Korea, North Korea and South Korea is still in the Cold War. That's why,
I don't think their Cold War will ever stop.
yeah,
Their Cold War is just even compared to the ancient era, it's just different.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they keep the price, they keep crypto. We also find a lot of announcement information in in the news, the Eclipse news, and the other channel news like Cointelegraph, Coindex, because all the news source is reliable. We can rely on this.
I like the way they wrote it. It's like
Yeah,
kimchi premium.
yeah, kimchi premium. Yeah. And now we see about the cryptocurrency market hit 2 trillion double just 3 months.
So basically, if you have a Korean account, exchange, crypto exchange account, and you can just transfer to your Korean site, and then you sell to them at 66, while it's not even hitting 60 in the last 1 week.
Yeah,
Here, that's a good $6,000 margin. I
yeah,
mean,
that's right. That's right.
if you are half a big whale, you have owned quite a number of Bitcoin. You can do that.
Yeah, it's but in the long term, the price. Let me see the price in the long term. The price is around 78,000 based on the
Yeah,
chart.
yeah.
Yeah,
So the thing about being long term is that how long?
yeah,
I believe that some of our listeners are thinking, oh, long term, but how long? Yeah. So, but if you look at the what you always use, Richard, that
yeah,
that 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 two lines, that estimation, or that they are plotting the future of the price movement.
yeah.
Uh,
Fibonacci retracement.
provided the current influencing factors remains constant, then
Yeah,
the price should go up to 78,000 in no time, in the near future. But
yeah,
of course, there are always the sharks and whales
yeah.
factors that will affect the price movement. So
Yeah, that's right.
just take it with a pinch of salt. Yeah, of course, don't pinch too much on yourself.
Because just now I use the chart for hour. Now the chart 1 day is mean longer term. It's chart one
Right.
day. It hit 130,000. Yeah, I also don't know.
Of course, there will be a lot of people out there who are using that different charting method, different
Yeah,
chart setting, and say, "Oh, yeah, it's moving to 100 and over 100 over 1,000 in the next how many days or how many
yeah,
months."
yeah. Is it?
That you have to. I mean, they are not wrong to use that as well, because
Yeah,
that's what they use, but to be on a safe side, you use something that is more rational. You use a charting figure, charting a space that is more rational. So you won't tell you won't sabotage yourself and say, oh yeah, because it's going to move to 130,000 in how many in so long, so I'm going to put a lot of money. No.
It depends on how long we can
it depends on the appetite and the kind of horizon you are prepared to engage with.
Yeah, that's right. And the next article is this article shares information to us about the Bitcoin hit 2 trillion, double in just 3 months, from 1 trillion to 2 trillion. And it shares information to us. It say the price was that. This also share information about the micro seller of MicroStrategy. Elon Musk of the Tesla was invest in. They are one of the backholder to keep influencer and backholder, billionaire influencer and backholder to keep Bitcoin and to boost the Bitcoin price go up. Yeah, and the news early today, I saw about the DeFi. Yeah, this one. This one is the information about some of the DeFi lab. They raise decentralized stablecoin. It's a nice idea. It's said to us, it's about when I go to search in the Fade protocol, yeah, it's a place for the stablecoin to go up. Yeah, it's really nice, and people they can stack in, but now the money got stuck because if we stack here, we cannot withdraw it because the high fee of the Ethereum. Yeah, you go to the room. Because this DeFi more money in the future, a lot of people will stack their will build up their own stablecoin. It's a place for stablecoin. Yeah, it's I say DeFi Lab official account here. Yeah. Just now they got some issue when the price of Ethereum is so high. They have raised the capital to 1 billion. 1.3 billion and a lot of exchange that invest in. Yeah.
Where are they from actually?
This fair. We can check on the market cap and see yeah, we see market cap, so many.
Find from my site.
Yeah. Okay. And then I search.
There's not much information.
Really? And lift up NFT token, and so there's a story of NFT token. The story of the raise scale 1 to 10 Bitcoin trust into the ETF. Yeah, this news is it's a news. It's a nice news when
it's a stable coin.
Yeah, it's the
this. This they are only founded 2020.
Yeah. Yeah, they actually found it
And then
and
there's not much information.
they raised 1.3 billion.
Yeah, 1.3 billion Fei being minted. They got Series A round, which I don't probably some of their own money or something like that. Yeah. I'm looking at Crunchbase information here, but typically Crunchbase they will have information like where these people from and what exactly they do, but they only say Fei protocol is a direct incentive stablecoin which is under collateralized and fully decentralized. That's all they put. So and it says also known as Fei Labs, but the name sounds like from China. But just Fei protocol raised 19 million in Series A from Andreessen Horowitz and 5 other investors. So big guys are investing their money in this company. It's probably started by one of their friends or something like that. I'm not too sure, but this venture capitalist is quite a big name. Andreessen Horowitz, they are quite a big name. Yeah, so I guess, and this AH Andreessen Horowitz, they at one time there was this buzz about them. What uh, uh, putting money into education, crypto education or blockchain education, something like that.
Yeah.
So I think the way they look at the future is that they recognize that the fact that the blockchain is going to change the lives of a lot of people and change the way people do businesses, change the way people look at how they can bring in revenue for their companies. So yeah, that is basically how the kind of signal that they are sending to the public on how they do things. Okay, let's go back to our Xeonbit token.
Yeah, because when I check the volume, the price, now the volume is on the Bitcoin Global and Uniswap. The price on Uniswap is 0.013. The price in the WPF is 0. WPF, the price not move much.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why such a difference in WBF?
Because
What are they
we
working?
don't do the MM there. I also don't know. That's why we don't rely much on the satellite exchange because they always asking for the MM to work with it and it's sucking in your block daily. Yeah.
They say if you don't pay them money, then they won't do anything.
Yeah. that is a waste of a lot of investment on the exchange on those exchanges. Yeah. And we also inject more in the Uniswap. Because Uniswap, we also add more liquidity for this. You also can enjoy with where you exchange when you buy more. You also can sell your SNS on the Uniswap to ETH. Yeah, of course. Some of our users they still keep the SNS. They can sell it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now one ETH costs around 154,000. Oh, the price lower and more because the level ETH is higher. And I also have the other pair is the unicorn pair. You want unicorn 22,000. Yeah, so if you have some of crypto, you can add liquidity pool. You go to add pool. You add your crypto in. You put there, add the liquidity provider. You can earn interest. The same with the PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. You can sell SNS. We also add. We're working with the team to add a token here because if it not show up here, you can check it on the scan to get it. Yeah. We have the token here. The price around 1 cent, 111. Transfer City, one first. PancakeSwap here. Someone we will add to the PancakeSwap. Yeah. 79. 1 hour ago, there's a transaction here. You copy this, the contract, and then you go to the PancakeSwap. You add the contract here. You see the coin here.
BSC scan.
BSC scan. It looks like a scan to find the contract. All information is on our Telegram. On our Telegram, let me community or channel. Let me show you our channel, Xeonbit channel here. Let me share to you on a live stream. Telegram versus, okay. Yeah, you can click on the link here. You find this community, and in our community, we see that some of the people they're asking what's next plans. We see some tasks to complete with the bridge between the blockchain, DeFi investors, staking, farming. Blockchain marketplace for end user purchase with the token is depend on the regulation of the country. Yeah, of course, with the blockchain and marketplace, we also have it on GitHub. You also can go there and check it and download to integrate to accept the cryptocurrency. And then, and now we build up here. We build up ERC20, BB20, BB2. Yeah, everything is on the table. You can eat it now. You can try it now. Enjoy it, stack it, and wait for the price to go up. Yeah, enjoy with the price when the market is good. Yeah, and hope you also can have a good journey in the cryptocurrency. I also think the price, our discussion is a little bit long enough. We also share information to our audience this early morning, and keep engaged in our Xeonbit channel on TikTok or in YouTube. And if you have any question, please let us know on the Twitter. And we always be active on the Xeonbit Telegram community. And you also can ask us any question. And you can leave a comment on YouTube. Yeah.
Yes.
And I hope you also have a nice day. Have a good day, and we need to complete the live stream. So give us a minute to complete the live stream. We will show a nice picture to our audience. So you, yeah, maybe share to YouTube now. Now I really like the photo of chimpanzee. Yeah. Yeah, okay, and now I turn off the live stream, complete the live stream in T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m channel, Xeonbit channel, all channel is early morning. Thanks everyone and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.